Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We have seen cars running on petrol and diesel and now on electricity as well. In this video, let's make a car which will move with the help of magnets. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the magnetism activity kit. Take out the magnetic car model parts and the magnets from the magnetism activity kit. The magnetic car model contains 2 side plates, 1 joining plate, 4 foam wheels, 4 washers and 2 straw pieces. We will also need 1 bar magnet, 1 ring magnet and 1 neodymium magnet from the magnets box. Let's assemble the car body first. Observe the side plates. Each one of them contains 2 slits in the central part and 2 holes are present near the front and back edges. Now, let's observe the joining plate. It contains 4 extended bits, that is 2 on each side. Take one side plate and insert these 2 extended bits into these slits, like this. Similarly, fix the other side plate to the other side of the joining plate. Ensure that the front of both the side plates is facing in the same direction, like this. Let's prepare the wheels now. Take a straw and insert a washer followed by a foam wheel at one end, like this. First the washer and then the wheel. Now insert the other end of the straw through the front holes of both the side plates, like this. This straw will work as the axle of the car. Now insert another washer followed by the second foam wheel at the other end of the straw. The front wheels of your car are ready. Similarly, assemble the rear wheels of your car using the second straw and 2 more washers and foam wheels by inserting the straw into the holes at the rear end of the side plates. Ensure that there is a small gap between the side plates and the washers. Your car is now ready and it's time to make it move using the magnets. For this, take the neodymium magnet and the ring magnet. Place the neodymium magnet at the center of the joining plate over it and simultaneously place the ring magnet under the joining plate. Ensure that both the magnets are attracted towards each other and ultimately stick to each other. If they don't stick, you need to flip the ring magnet and try again. Place the car model on a floor or a long table. Now, hold the bar magnet in your hand such that it repels the neodymium magnet. If it doesn't, flip the bar magnet, then bring the other end near the car like this. Can you see the car is moving forward as the bar magnet is brought near it? Magnets have 2 poles, one north pole and one south pole. The like poles of the magnet repel each other and the unlike poles attract each other. when the unlike poles of the ring magnet and the neodymium magnet are brought close to each other, they attract and stick to each other. When the like poles of the bar magnet and the neodymium magnet are brought closer to each other, they repel each other, and due to this, the car moves forward. Magnets have two poles, one north pole and one south pole. The like poles of the magnet repel each other. The unlike poles of the magnet attract each other. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.